Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change name on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are now logged into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner sign in option. If you click on it, of course, instead of those icons, if you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account if you don't have one. You'll be able to do those two options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or even if you have an Apple account, if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account, and it will be much faster. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page and with this welcome back sentence as I said. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to change your name on Etsy website. So if you want to do that, simply you would like to go to your account at the top right corner, here icon, just go and click on it. Then from here, you would like to go and click at account settings. So from here you will find this public profile. If you click on it, you'll find here your name, your gender, your city, your index, etc. Of course, if you already filled that will be good. If you didn't, that will be good as well. All you need to do here, just go and click at change or remove. Of course, you can change the first name and the second name, change to whatever you want, and hit the save changes, and you will be actually good to go. You'll even have the option, instead of going here to public profile, click just at edit public profile. It will, as you can see, take you into the same page, and you will do the usual, just click at change or remove, change whatever you want, maybe the first name, the last name, click at save changes, and of course you'll be able to change other stuff here. When you finish all of that, just click at the save changes here at the bottom and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.